In this video, I reveal the only secret of drawing ear and lips. Watch this video. Hello, this is Nafis and you're watching the third part of Harry Potter's portrait tutor. I start with shading the face's skin. For now, I'm making a light shade. Now I have to define the boundary between skin and the wand. Unfortunately, my brush size is too small for this portrait size, and as you can see, it makes some smudge on the skin. But I partially solved the problem by drawing more slowly and using a pasty eraser. Painting requires a lot of patience because you may not get the desired result at the first, but as the painting continues, it gets better and better. I shaded the facial skin as much as possible, but in order to better understand what other shadows are needed, I must first draw the background of the portrait and other parts of the face. In my opinion, drawing the ears is one of the easiest parts of drawing a portrait. There is one general important rule. Inside of the ear is the darkest. As we move towards the outside of the ear, it becomes lighter. The second rule is fading the boundary between darkness and light, which can only be achieved by experience. The lips are a little bit harder because you should show the lips and lines well. Don't worry, anyone can do this by practice. Lips have different shapes and the shading of the lips depends on the reference and the shape of them. I do love to teach different types of lips in the next videos, so subscribe and activate the bell now! Although the variety of lips is many, but one thing is common to all of them. The inside of the mouth and toward the mouth is the darkest part, and as we move toward the outside of the lips, the shadows become lighter. Sometimes I prefer to draw a simple layer on all parts of the portrait first and then draw more detailed shadows. In this way, I have an overview of drawing and I can draw better. In the next part, I draw the hair and more details of the skin. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on. See you in the next part.